Hello everyone, welcome to Geek New Zealand. Today we will unbox and install D-Link's new Wi-Fi camera DCS-8302LH. So let's get into it. DCS-8302LH is a multi-use full HD Wi-Fi camera. It is outdoor capable, or you can use it for indoors to help keep an eye on your home with full HD 1080p clarity. Some of the top features are AI-based person detection intelligence, which identifies human motion. It has true full HD 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second with 135-degree field of view, so you'll never miss a thing. Infrared night vision is up to 5 meters, around 16 feet, so lets you see what's happening even in total darkness. It's a weather resistance for outdoor installation, can operate in extreme temperature. It has built-in 95 dB speaker with siren function to ward off any intruders and alert you for a detection. It has two-way audio with built-in microphone and speaker that lets you hear and be heard. Wi-Fi and Ethernet connectivity options. It supports cloud storage or microSD local storage up to 256 GB. You can also use it with Google Assistant and Alexa. It's fully installed now. Let's capture some of the day and night footage to compare video recording clarity. Final words. The great thing I liked about this camera is that you can use it either indoors or outdoors, so you don't need a separate camera for different locations. If you were going away for a few weeks, you can just mount it outside, install it and start using it, or you can always use it for indoors to keep an eye on your pets. The flexibility is great. Installation was so easy that any non-tech savvy person can do it easily. This camera supports cloud storage, and a great thing about D-Link is it offers free cloud storage for up to 3 cameras for 1 day. But if you need any more days for cloud storage, you'll have to take the upgrade plan. This camera fits seamlessly in this My D-Link family. Definitely worth buying for all your home surveillance needs. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and share the video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and keep sending me your review requests, and I will try my best to do them. Thank you.